so it started. This little fuse box wasn't connected. Right, so I was testing these fuses to see if they got power under ignition, and they're only getting 0.25. And then I saw this fuse box kind of just hanging around in there. Plugged it in, and then they were getting 12 volts. And then it just started up and ran. Now that the car's running, it's probably best I do a small service on it. Oil filter, oil, cam belt, stuff like that.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft street. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought unfade. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on free. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I
Just in a quick oil change.
When I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope.
Just filled it up with 3.5 litres of 530. Oh, the stick, I can't see it. It's showing full right there, you can see it. So that's all done. So that's it for today's video. I got it running. Next steps are to get it road legal and get it driving, but it's probably going to be a while until that happens, so stay tuned.